What up, fam? This is Toy with Toys Food Chronicles, and today we are doing the top 5 cookery item wish list for Father's Day. What up, fam? Welcome to Toys Food Chronicles. Once again, my name is Toy, and we are bringing people together through the soul and spirit of food, and I am really excited for what we are talking about today. First of all, we're talking about Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there and all of the single mothers who are out there doing it. We want to give you respect because it's like you're doing 2 jobs in one body, and we really respect you. We thank you for everything that you do. With all of that being said, we are going to jump right into it. So this is the top 5 wish list for cookery items. So what I did is I reached out to several gentlemen who happen to be fathers, and they just gave me the rundown on things that they would like for Father's Day. First, without further ado, we had some guys who all want grills. So we got 3 different types of grills for you right now. So in this first category, we have the Kamado Joe, which is a lot similar to the big green egg that you have seen out there. And so this gentleman, one of the guys, is talking about replacing his big green egg because it is going down. And a good replacement for that, very similar to that, is going to be the Kamado Joe. And it is awesome. As you can see, this particular model is the classic ceramic charcoal grill, 18-inch glazed red. Next in this same category, we have, it's just a char griller. It looks like a great big egg. It comes in at $337. It's called the Acorn Kamado Charcoal Grill, graphite. Now going down the list of different types of grills. So if you like a propane or pellet grill, this is particularly a wood pellet grill. It's a Traeger grill. It's called the Ironwood 885 wood pellet grills and smoker. Oh man, a lot of people love Traeger. It just is what it is. Without further ado, we are continuing down the line, and this one is a propane grill. So I wanted to give us a variety of the types of grills because everybody wanted something. Some people said specifically they wanted pellet grills. Some gentlemen said specifically that they wanted offset smokers. I did not put an offset smoker in this, but I'm sure, by the way, I got my offset smoker off of Amazon. And that is awesome. Anyway, this one is a Weber Genesis 2S 435. It's a 4-burner liquid propane grill. It is stainless steel. I am an affiliate with Amazon, so if you purchase through me, it does give a kickback to the channel. So if you like this content and you want to support, you can purchase these items. It costs you no more than what it was already going to cost, and Prime Day is coming. Awesome. You just go through the link in the description. Second item on our list is going to be a grinder. And this right here, this particular grinder that is in the description is an electric meat grinder, stainless steel meat mincer. It's a sausage stuffer food grinder with 3 grind plates, 2 blades, sausage cubby kit sets, and it's just awesome. It's a meat grinder specifically made for home use. So we advocate for home cooks here. This channel is made once again to help the average home cook and backyard grill cook prepare stunning meals for their families and guests, and this will help you get to it. Number 3, we have the Ergo Chef Myron Mixon Pitmaster Barbecue Kit Grilling Tool Set. So it has a boning knife, duo tongs, edge guards, and 5 pocket bag, and it's a 6-piece set. I am a big fan of Myron Mixon and everything that he does when it comes to the barbecue world. So it's nothing more wonderful than having tools like the gentleman who does what you want to do, and they do it on a wonderful scale. Here's a quick interlude. I always say, don't love to be loved, love to love. Meaning, you're not loving people so you get anything in return or to get something like tangible goods. You love just to love, because it's the right thing and a good thing to do. With that being said, I am requesting that you check out some of our Love to Love merch. This line of clothing, mugs, and other apparel is based on that heart. So if you would like to support the channel and see more content like this, click in the link below in the description. Now back to our regular programming. Staying in that wonderful, wonderful tradition of barbecue, number 4 on our list is going to be barbecue rubs. I had so many gentlemen say, I want some barbecue rubs. So I have several different kinds. I have them from one of my favorite shows, which is Malcolm Reed. He hosts a channel here on YouTube, and it's amazing. It's called How to Barbecue Right. Check him out. I do have his rubs in the description, but the rubs we're going to talk about today is from a guy named Mo Carson, and he has 3 rubs in this particular kit that I am looking at. These rubs are the KC Butt Spice, which is awesome, and then the other one has a word I'm not going to say, but you can see it. It's Pigs Behind Rub, but that's Memphis style, which is cool. And then they have Carolina style rub some butt. And oh my goodness, I get excited just thinking about rubs. I have Rufus Teague. I did not put them in the description. I need to. As a matter of fact, Rufus Teague is in the description because I'm going to get some Rufus Teague and put it in the description. They are really good. I like what they do. And I also have Myron Mixon's rubs down there as well. So there's plenty of assortment of rubs. So coming down to number 5, a lot of gentlemen were requesting that they receive something from their wives, which is a meal. So they wanted their wives to cook something for them at home or take them out to a nice meal. I know for Father's Day, my wife is taking me out. I love seafood. She doesn't necessarily like seafood, so we don't get to go to those type of restaurants a lot. So we'll get to go there this weekend. To all of you gentlemen out there, happy Father's Day. Once again, to all of the mothers pulling double duty because you're a single mom, peace. Like, you guys are amazing, and we thank you for your contribution and everything it is that you do. And once again, as we're signing off, I just want to say, don't love to be loved, love to love.